Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Peace be upon you, and welcome to this very special explainer. I am just so incredibly excited you're here today. I mean, look at all these colorful balloons and smiling faces. Today, we're going to explore a brand new language together. We're stepping into a magical world to become real-life explorers and uncover the secrets of the Arabic language. So let's just dive right in. Now, before we take even a single step on this adventure, I have a massive question for you. Are you ready to learn a magical new letter today? I'm listening. Whoa, I heard you loud and clear all the way over here. Your energy is absolutely fantastic.
Well, here is exactly what we're looking for. Today, we're going on a super important quest to find the very first, the most special, the absolute #1 letter of the Arabic alphabet. Because, every great journey has to start at the beginning, right? And in Arabic, this is exactly where it all begins. So everyone, meet our new best friend, the letter Alif.
Look how tall and proud Aleph stands. It's literally just a straight line, reaching right up to the sky. Aleph is the very first letter of the Arabic alphabet. Now, I want you to practice making the sound of this letter with me. I'll say it, and then you say it right back. Ready? Watch my mouth. Ah. Now you try. Excellent. Let's do it again. Ah. Perfect. Okay, one more time, really loud. Ah. Wow, you sound like native speakers already.
So, now that we know our magical letter Aleph and that awesome ah sound it makes, we're going on a vocabulary safari. We're going to discover some amazing animals and everyday objects that start with our brand new friend, Aleph. Go ahead and grab your imaginary binoculars, because here we go. Check out that magnificent animal. It's a lion. And in Arabic, the word for lion starts with the letter Aleph. The word is Asad. Listen real closely. Asad. Let's say it together 3 times. Ready? Asad. 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 Okay, now I want you to stand up in your room, show me your best lion claws, and give me a giant lion roar. Outstanding job! That was a very scary Asad for sure. Oh, look who hopped in next. It's a cute, fluffy rabbit. And guess what? The Arabic word for rabbit also starts with our magic letter Aleph. The word is arnab. Listen to the sound. Arnab. Let's practice that together 3 times. Here we go. Arnab. 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 All right, time to get up on your feet again and give me 3 giant hops, just like an Arnab. Hop, hop, hop. Great job! Now, Alif isn't just for animals, it's for things on our very own bodies too. Take a look at this next one. It's an ear. The Arabic word for ear starts with Alif and it's pronounced udhun. Let's say it together. Udhun, udhun, udhun. Now take your pointer finger and point to your very own udhun. Yep, that's right, your ear. You're doing amazing. Okay, time for a fun, delicious bonus word. Look at that shiny red apple. The Arabic word for apple is tufaha. Say it with me, tufaha. 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 Now rub your tummy like you just ate a delicious tufaha. Yum! Man, we are building such an incredible list of words today. All right, let's dive into this next part because you are just doing so incredibly well. You aren't just learning letters and words anymore. You are officially Arabic masters, which means we get to use our magic words to build real, actual sentences. It's kind of like putting puzzle pieces together. Let's look at these 2 examples. First, we have, this is a lion. In Arabic, we say hada asad. Let's say that together. Hada asad. The word hada is our magic pointing word for boys or masculine words. Then on the other side we have this is an apple. In Arabic we say hadihi tufaha. Say it with me. Hadihi tufaha. Hadihi is our magic pointing word for girls or feminine words. See how that works? Hada asad, hadihi tufaha. You are literally speaking in full Arabic sentences right now. Let's try it out again. For our hopping friend, we say this is a rabbit. In Arabic, hada arnab. You try. Hada arnab. And for our ear, we say, this is an ear. In Arabic, hadihi udhun. You try. Hadihi udhun. Just by putting 2 words together, you can point to anything in the world and say what it is in Arabic. How cool is that? All right, my master learners. You've learned the letter, you've learned the animals, the body parts, and you've even built real sentences. So it's time for the ultimate challenge. It is time for the Alif quiz game. Wiggle your fingers, shake out your shoulders, and get those brains ready. Here is the big question. Aina harf al-alif. Where is the letter Alif? I'm going to show you 3 different Arabic letters, and I need you to be a detective and find our tall, proud friend, Alif. Are you ready to look very, very closely? Let's do this.
All right, here are your options. Check out option number 1. Is that Aleph? Now think about option number 2, right in the middle. Is that Aleph? And what about option number 3? Is that Aleph? Take your finger and point right at it. Point to the letter Aleph for me. Do you have it? Are you pointing?
Yes, absolutely correct. You found Aleph. It was option number 2, right there in the middle. Just imagine all those balloons falling from the ceiling and crowds cheering for you right now. You did it. You remembered exactly what the tall, straight letter Aleph looks like. Go ahead and give yourself a massive high five. I am just incredibly proud of how much you've accomplished in this short time together. You are so smart! But before we wrap up our adventure today, let's do a super quick review of everything you achieved so it stays locked in your brain forever. Let's remember.
Look at that. There's our letter, Alif. And there's the sound it makes. Ah. And here are all of our wonderful new words. We learned Asad the lion, Arnab the rabbit, Udhan the ear, and the super delicious Tufahad the apple. You learned so much Arabic in this explainer today. You are absolutely superstars.
Kids, you did an amazing job today. Now moms, dads, and guardians, come on over because this next part is especially for you. If you were amazed by how quickly your child picked up these concepts, recognized the patterns, and just totally engaged with the language today, well, I have a very special message for you about how to continue this incredible educational journey.
Welcome to Ahl Al-Zekr Academy. Let me ask you, do you want your child to learn the Arabic language and the Holy Quran in a way that's just as fun, easy, and engaging as the explainer we just went through? Well, at Ahl Al-Zekr Academy, they offer live online classes tailored specifically for kids and complete beginners. And honestly, the best part? These classes are taught by specialized expert teachers who are actually graduates of the prestigious Al-Azhar University. They guide your children step by step through the Quran, the Arabic language, and Islamic studies. And it's incredibly easy to get started. Literally just 2 simple steps. Step 1, book a completely free trial class. There is absolutely no risk, just a wonderful opportunity for your child to try it out. Step 2, watch as they learn step by step with expert, patient, and highly qualified teachers, all from the comfort of your own home. It really is a premium educational experience designed to foster a deep, lifelong love for the Arabic language. To make things as simple as possible, you can reach out directly via WhatsApp right now to book that free trial class. The number is +971 56 464 4535. Just jot this down or grab your phone and send a quick message to start your child's learning journey with Ahl Al-Zekr Academy. Just think about this as we wrap up our explainer today. Your child successfully mastered the very first letter of the Quran and the Arabic alphabet in just a few minutes with us. Imagine what they could accomplish in a month or a year. What other amazing Arabic words, sentences, and stories are waiting for you and your child to discover next at Ahl Al-Zekr Academy? So book that free trial today, keep exploring, and we will see you on the next incredible learning adventure. Assalamu alaikum.